Hello crazy people, welcome back to my channel. This is Palak here. How you all are doing? I hope you all are doing well. So I was just going for a flight and I was about to get ready. So I just thought this idea just clicked in my mind. Just why shouldn't I make a video to just show you how to do makeup for a flight? So here I am on the screen for you people. So today I'm going to show you that how you do makeup when you go for a flight. So just let's get started. Firstly, I'll start with the toning. I'm taking this Biotique toner with this cotton pad. I'll just apply it all over my face. After applying this toner, just make sure that you apply it evenly all over your face, just like by side of your nose and on the eyebrows and on your eyes, everything, so that your skin is totally toned properly. Um, After applying this toner, I'll apply a moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer that suits your face properly. Just take a little bit of moisturizer. Moisturizing your face is really very important at the time of doing makeup because when you apply makeup, the chemicals directly get touch with your skin, so you don't want to spoil your skin and you don't want your skin to be dry very much. That's why it is very important that you moisturize your skin properly. Now my skin is totally ready to apply makeup. So firstly I will start with a primer. So I'm using this Color primer here. And even I have this faces primer also. So you can use any of the primer. I'll just tie my hair first so that it becomes easy for me to apply makeup properly. So just take a little bit over your hand. Do not forget your eyes because when you apply eyeshadow, it makes it more even look when you apply primer first and then apply the eyeshadow. Now I'll take this Kryolan concealer to conceal my dark circles. This is FS27. You can take any of the shade which suits your face. This is my shade. Just applying a little bit under my eyes. Now I'm taking foundation. This is also a Kryolan foundation. I'm not about to get the shade, which shade it is. Um, it is FS28 or something. The print has been taken off, so I'm not able to read that. properly. Just use the corner side for under the eyes to blend it. And even if you are not comfortable, then you can use your little finger also. And use this side for blending it all over your face. So as you can see that my whole face is covered with the foundation. So after this foundation, I'll apply a translucent powder just to set it on place. Even if you see that the your dark circles are more visible, then you can apply more of the foundation under your eyes so that they can be hidden properly. So I'm using this Krylon translucent powder. I don't apply translucent powder all over my face. I just take the nose area. I just cover this T-zone properly with the translucent powder. Because you tend to get wrinkles over here when you smile more as a cabin crew. You have to smile at all times. So when you smile, you just get wrinkles over here because of the makeup. So I just applied translucent powder over here more, and then after that I'll just take little bit of it and run a brush all over my face. So yeah, the whole base makeup is done. You can just highlight your eyebrows using the eyebrow pencil. So after doing my eyebrows, I'll apply blush on my face. If you want, then you can first use the highlighter and then you can apply the blush. It's all on your choice. So firstly, I'll be applying this highlighter. I'm just taking a little bit on this finger. So I'm done applying highlighter over my face. I think you can see the highlighting and all. And now I'll apply this blush. So this is all. If after applying blush, if you think that the highlighter has not proper and highlighter is not uh, much on your face, so you can use the highlighter again over your face. So this is whole the basic makeup all over my face, as you can see. I'll apply my lipstick and eyeshadow, then I'm good to go for a flight. So I hope that you guys like this video, and I hope that you like this whole basic makeup which I have shown you in this video, and you learned something. I will be coming in my next video. Bye bye till then. Stay happy, stay connected, and do as much as मस्ती as you can, क्योंकि life तो एक बार ही मिलती है. Bye bye.